Astronomers have been carefully watching 2024 YR4, a space rock with a heightened chance of hitting Earth in 2032. However, NASA announced on Monday that it posed a threat no longer. The odds that the asteroid would smash into our planet have dropped to nearly zero. When first discovered, asteroid 2024 YR4 had a very small chance of impacting Earth on December 22, 2032. However, as more observations of the asteroid were collected, and as that data was added to its orbit calculations, 2024 YR4 was deemed to have no significant chance of Earth impact in 2032 and beyond. But are they really certain about this? The Bible, on the other hand, predicts that in the last days a star will fall on the earth. Revelation 8-10 goes, "The third angel sounded, and a great star fell from heaven, burning like a torch, and it fell on a third of the rivers and on the springs of waters. The star is named Wormwood, and a third of the waters became wormwood, and many people died from the waters because they were made bitter." The asteroid Wormwood is mentioned in the Bible, specifically in the book of Revelation chapter 8, verses 10-11. In this apocalyptic text, the third angel sounds a trumpet, and a great star falls from the sky, burning like a torch. The star is named Wormwood, and it falls on a third of the rivers and springs of water, causing them to become bitter. The people who drink from these contaminated waters are said to die as a result. The term wormwood is believed to refer to the bitter, poisonous nature of the waters, and it is often interpreted symbolically to represent calamity, suffering, or divine judgment. The word wormwood itself is derived from the plant of the same name, which is known for its intensely bitter flavor. Historically, wormwood has been used in medicine, particularly in treating digestive issues, but its bitter taste makes it also associated with a sense of bitterness or unpleasantness. This symbolism is fitting in the context of the apocalyptic events described in Revelation, where the star's fall represents a catastrophic event that turns life-sustaining resources, like fresh water, into something deadly and destructive. Some interpretations of Revelation suggest that wormwood could represent more than just a literal asteroid or comet, pointing to a larger metaphor for an era of destruction, judgment, and upheaval in human history. Throughout history, various theories have linked wormwood to astronomical objects such as comets or asteroids, often speculating that such a celestial body could have catastrophic consequences on Earth, aligning with the apocalyptic imagery in the Bible. Other interpretations, however, view wormwood as a symbol of spiritual poisoning or moral decay, reflecting the idea that humanity's sins and actions lead to destructive consequences. Regardless of the interpretation, wormwood stands as a vivid and potent symbol in the book of Revelation, representing a devastating force that brings suffering to humanity in the end times. The imagery of a falling star turning waters bitter captures the theme of divine retribution and the irreversible effects of humanity's disregard for divine law. If this news about 2024 RY4 causes you anxiety, rest assured that what you feel is pretty normal. When faced with the fear of the unknown, know that there is a profound sense of peace and hope that can only be found in Christ alone. The uncertainty of life, whether it stems from personal struggles, global crises, or existential questions, often leads to feelings of anxiety and helplessness. However, in the Christian faith, the promise of Christ's presence and guidance offers a source of unwavering hope. Jesus assures his followers that they are never alone, even in the darkest moments, and that his love and sovereignty transcend any fear. Through faith in him, believers can find comfort in knowing that God's plan is always greater than their circumstances, and his faithfulness provides an anchor when the future feels uncertain. This wormwood is merely a harbinger of what is to come, the return of Christ as King of Kings. and Lord of Lords. Believers' hope in Christ gives them strength to face the unknown with confidence, trusting that His peace will guard their hearts and minds.